In this video, we will learn how to install the latest version of MongoDB on Windows 11. We'll also create a sample database. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and search for MongoDB on Google. And you should see the official MongoDB website. Click on the link. Next, navigate to the Products menu. Under this, you'll see different MongoDB products. We want the open source version, so click on Community Edition. Scroll down and you'll see the option to download the community version. Now scroll down to the Community Server section. The current version for Windows x64 is displayed here, which will work perfectly for Windows 11. This is the installer file. Keep the default options and click Download. The download will begin. It's about 713 megabytes. Once it's finished, right-click on the downloaded file and click Open to begin the installation. Click Next and accept the license agreement. For the setup type, I'll choose Complete. Keep the option Install MongoDB as a Service checked. MongoDB will be installed as a service, and it will run under the network service user. The service name is MongoDB, which is fine. The data directory and log directory paths are displayed here. Make sure to remember these paths, as they will be useful in case of any issues. Click Next. You will be prompted to install MongoDB Compass, a UI for MongoDB. I will uncheck this option and click Next. Click Install to begin the installation. The process will take a few moments. Once it's done, click Finish. Now let's set the path. We need to open the Program Files folder. Open the bin folder inside the 8.0 directory and copy the path. Go to Start, then type Environment Variables and open it. Under the System Properties window, click Environment Variables. In the System Variables section, find and double-click on Path. Click New and paste the copied path. Click OK and then OK again to save the changes. We've successfully set the path. Next, we need to install the MongoDB shell, Mongosh, which allows us to interact with MongoDB deployments. Go back to your browser and search for MongoDB shell. Click on the official website. Under the MongoDB shell section, find the version for Windows 11 and change the download link to the .msi version. Click Download. The download will start, and it's only around 45 megabytes. Once it's complete, open the file to begin the installation. And the MongoDB shell setup will begin. Click Next, then uncheck the option to install it for the entire system if you prefer. Click Install to proceed. Once the installation is complete, click Finish. Let's verify the installation. First, open the Windows terminal. Check the MongoDB daemon version with Mongod. You should see the MongoDB version, confirming that MongoDB is successfully installed. Now, type Mongosh to start the MongoDB shell. Here it is, with the version displayed. Both MongoDB and the MongoDB shell have been installed successfully. Now let's create a new database. To see the default databases, type Show DBs and press Enter. You'll see the default databases listed. To create a new database, type Use Sample DB or choose any other name for your database. MongoDB will switch to this new database. Next, let's create a collection using the db.createCollection command. For example, we'll create a collection called Colors. Type db.createCollectionColors and press Enter. If you see the response OK1, it means the collection was successfully created.